Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to cook this pork presa bean salad, and it's warm. It's really tasty. It's time to grill. Okay folks, today's video is kind of special. I know that this one will not score as big as those famous pork belly recipes I made the weeks before, but this is more or less one of the most delicious video I recorded during the past weeks. So we're gonna get started with a medium-sized yellow onion. We're gonna slice this, and then we take big cloves of garlic like that one you see here. We cut this one into slices, and after slices we cut it more and more. I speed this up a little bit for you today. And after preparing the garlic, we're gonna get started with preparing the green beans. So I'm not sure where you're from and if you are able to get these fresh looking, nice colored green beans, but that's one of the ingredients I really love in fall or autumn time. It's perfect for soups, and of course this one is also really great for today's dish. Maybe if you were here in the past on this channel, you might have seen some of that special cuts I used with pork. So this one is Iberico Presa, and it's from gourmetfleisch.de, my favorite online shop in Germany when it comes to meat. And all you have to do is take a piece of paper towel, dry this a little bit, and then we're gonna salt it from both sides. That's all you need to prepare the meat, and you can see it has a nice fat share, and it's really cool. So we have preheated the cast iron pan on my broiling imperial. We have preheated this pretty good. It's actually very hot. We have added the olive oil, and then we added the garlic dices, and now you can see, of course I speed this up a little bit. Now the garlic starts to get brown. Make sure now not to burn it. If it gets dark, it gets bitter. That's not what we are looking for. So short time after starting with the garlic, add the onions, so the cast iron pan gets a little bit colder, and then roast the garlic and the onions for several minutes. So after those minutes, of course I speed that up again. We're gonna add some soy sauce. Of course, like always, I will put the exact amount of ingredients into the video description. You can check it out down there by clicking below the video. You will not only find the ingredients in there, there will be a lot of interesting links, tips and tricks, so you can check it out as well. After some seconds reducing with the soy sauce, we add the green beans, and we're going to let those cook for approximately 15 minutes with a closed lid on indirect heat. You can just keep there for another 10 till 20 minutes on direct heat, but then we're gonna put these to indirect heat. For the broiling imperial, this means we have 2 burners full power, and the rest is on lower temperature, so the other burners are off. We just take the pan and set it aside. There you go. So then we wait some minutes so the grill grates will heat up again, and then we're gonna grill the pork presa for 2 or 3 minutes per side. It should get a nice color. And again I speed this up a little bit, not to bother you too much today. And once we are ready, like now, we can now switch it off, give it a twist, I mean, there you go. Nice color, nice branding already, and some more minutes from both sides. So this one is almost ready. Now we are able to take it off. We're gonna set it aside several minutes, let it rest, and then we cut and see how we did. So if you have visited my channel the weeks before, I told you that this one is also possible to eat it a little bit more with a pink color. This means that I'm also able to grill it with a pink color. So 3 or 4 degrees less should work here as well. Of course, nothing really serious happened. It's really still a nice piece of pork. It's really juicy and has a great, nice flavor. So we're taking this one and we're gonna dice it, and then we're gonna mix this with the beans, the garlic, and the onions. So we're now ready. Last ingredient, some red wine vinegar. So this gives a little bit of that salad flavor to the green beans. We're gonna mix it, and then we'll add the pork. And of course it's still warm. For me this is the perfect temperature for the flavor of the soy sauce, the acid from the vinegar, and the pork. So now mix it, and that's one of the most delicious dishes I grilled for a longer time. It has a nice flavor. I like the pork taste. It's a little bit like you get from your Asian restaurant. Take it, put it in a bowl, and then we're ready to check this out. Man, look at these colors. So if you have any experiences with warm bean salad, just write it in the comments. I would appreciate your feedback. Please hit that like button. If you have any more ideas for that dish, comments are really welcome. I took some of that sauce again and drizzled it over that. Looks really cool. So I'm gonna give this a shot right now. If you haven't subscribed to 0815 Barbecue, please do it now and subscribe. We're seeing us again in the upcoming days. We'll have some more videos coming up. Make sure to put on notifications. Share this video with your family and your friends. Make sure to visit my Instagram page as well. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.